Welcome to Easy English Zone, the podcast where we slow down, speak clearly, and help you learn English naturally. Today, we're going to talk about how students can learn English easily, step by step. If you are someone who wants to speak English confidently, understand others, and express yourself better, this episode is for you. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. Understand why you want to learn English. Before we start learning, we must understand why. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for school? For a better job? To travel or connect with people around the world? When you know your reason, learning becomes easier. Because when things get hard, your reason will keep you going. So, take 1 minute now. Think about your why. Hold it in your mind. That's your motivation. Books Part 2, Make English part of your daily life. Many students think they need to study English only from books. But the truth is, you can learn faster if you make English part of your daily life. Here are a few simple ways. Change your phone language to English. Watch YouTube videos or movies with English subtitles. Listen to English podcasts while walking or relaxing. Read short English articles, even for 5 minutes a day. Small steps every day are more powerful than one big study session once a week. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Speaking Head Part 3, Speak every day, even alone. Many students are shy or afraid to speak. They worry about mistakes. But making mistakes is part of learning. Here's a secret, even if you speak alone, you're learning. Try this, stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day in English. Say, today, I woke up early. I had breakfast. I went to school. Simple sentences like that will build your confidence. You can also use the shadowing method. Listen to a native speaker, then repeat exactly what they say, slowly. It will train your ears and tongue to sound more natural. Headphone Part 4, Listen before you speak. If you want to speak good English, you must first learn to listen carefully. Children learn their first language by listening, not by studying grammar. So, be like a child again. Listen to slow English podcasts, short conversations, or even songs. Pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Repeat what you hear. Feel the music of the language.